One of the most powerful things you can do in PowerPoint is to create an emotion. Can you see how powerful that effect was? So how do we produce this really special effect? Open up a new presentation, and what I'm going to do is just press Ctrl and M to add a new slide in. Let's add our first picture in. So I'm going to click on Insert, and as opposed to pictures, I'd actually prefer to use icons and go to the section here called Images. Once we've done that, let's try and find the image we used before. And this is the lady here that we've used previously. Now there's something very special I want to show you. When you want to make the picture fill up the whole slide, there is a cheat you can use. If you click on the Home tab and then click on Designer, the way it's been designed is the first design is always going to fill up the whole of your slide. Now you may choose to look at other designs according to your corporate image or what you like. You may prefer to use, but for this purpose, I think this is really quite beautiful. Next thing to do, press Ctrl and D and duplicate your slide. I'm going to get rid of slide 1 now because it's not so important. Now we have the 2 slides. All we need to do is double click on the first slide and click on Artistic Effects. How do you want the first slide to look? And you've got any choice here that you wish. I'm going to use the one here that looks a little bit dated. And that looks really quite interesting. Now we go to the second slide. And all we do is we go to Transitions and we click on Morph. Now we've done that, on slide number 2, I want the impression to be a little bit more interesting. So I'm going to make the duration of the morph a little bit quicker. To start the presentation from slide 1, I'm just going to press Shift and F5. And now when I press Return, can we see I've produced a huge emotion by using these tricks? Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's a way to create enormous emotion in your PowerPoint presentations. I do hope you've really enjoyed this tip. And in the comments below, please let me know if this is something you will try and use in your next presentation. Thank you so much.